Welcome to SysAdmin. In today's explainer, we are going to explore foundations and methods of multiplexing. Ever wonder how tons of different signals share one single network cable without just scrambling into total chaos? The secret is multiplexing. It's a genius IT technique that merges multiple inputs into one shared output. Inputs flow into a multiplexer, share a single high-capacity link, then neatly separate back out at the demultiplexer. In enterprise networks and servers, we mostly see four primary methods: FDM, WDM, TDM, and STDM. Let's kick off with FDM. Here, we divide incoming signals into specific, continuous frequency slots. Think of it exactly like tuning a car radio. Every single station gets its own dedicated frequency lane. That's literally how traditional radio, over-the-air TV, and cable networks have broadcasted to us for decades. But FDM is kind of rigid. If a channel isn't actively transmitting data, that valuable frequency just sits totally wasted. Stepping up to high-speed enterprise fiber optics, we use WDM, or Wavelength Division Multiplexing. In this setup, every specific color of light carries its own entirely separate stream of data. We then use optical amplifiers to blast all those light waves together across massive, long-distance networks. Now for TDM. Everyone uses the exact same frequency, but they transmit at different, scheduled points in time. It's like taking strict turns to speak at a meeting. Every signal gets a fixed, equal time slot. The catch? If a sender has nothing to say, their assigned time slot just travels completely empty. To fix that, STDM smartly stores data packets in a buffer, scheduling them dynamically to avoid empty slots. Now, only active participants speak. It's incredibly efficient for real-world networks, though definitely more costly to implement. So these core IT methods cleverly manipulate frequency, light, time, or packets to share one single physical connection.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to SysAdmin Academy and continue building your IT expertise.